So you don't really need to buy the Alexa box because you can just Alexa, just do that. So this is Alexa app. Alexa, are you spying on me?
No, I'm not spying on you. I'm designed to protect your privacy. You can learn more.
So yeah, this is the Alexa app, and then I give you the link on the bottom to where to download. So check that out. So you have a smart home connected to smart devices. You can play whatever music. Alexa, play country music.
Here's a station you might like, Top Country, on Amazon Music.
We just trying to.
All right, so I don't want to get copyright. Yeah. So that's one thing. It has smart home features. It can communicate. It can do a lot of things, like ask a lot of questions. Just saying the word Alexa. So this is a demonstration. I give a link down below to where to get it. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.